Hi guys, I'm Sarah, and you're so very welcome here to this guided healing mindfulness meditation. My intention is to help us harmonise any heavy emotions, manage stress, anxiety, overwhelm, worry, or any heavy emotions you'd like to cleanse, while transmuting our energy, restoring balance, calming our nervous system, and setting an energetic boundary to prevent burnout. This audio is made with my own sound healing instruments: 432 Hertz crystal bowl, a crystal harp, scape from my hometown, and angel chimes. And so, find a safe and cozy space where you won't be disturbed. Please refrain from operating any machinery or driving while listening. I highly suggest you use earphones or headphones for a deeper connection, but no worries at all if you can't. It will still be effective. Let's acknowledge our state of being before we move on. Notice how our nervous systems are. Is our mind racing? Do we feel our mind buzzing or tight? Only notice and observe without any judgment. Let's imagine ourselves lying down in our favorite place in nature. Maybe lying on a warm, softly sanded beach with the waves crashing in the background, or lying down on fresh grass in the middle of a lavender field. Wherever your favorite place in nature is, imagine yourself there, laying down so cozily, so comfortably, with your body safely connected to the earth. As you breathe in softly and slowly and deeply, you feel a deep connection to Mother Earth. A safe and protected space provided by Mother Earth, especially for you. Bringing our attention to our breath and imagining Gaia's healing energy flowing up into our bodies as we breathe in through our nose, ever so softly and slowly, until our belly and lungs are comfortably full. Hold for a few seconds and then release through our mouth, ever so softly, allowing our lungs and our belly to release as much air as possible. Hold for a few seconds and then inhale again, feeling our bodies connected to the earth, so safely, so protected. Breathing up into our bellies and feeling our lungs inflate. Hold for a few seconds and release, releasing and letting go of any heavy emotions, releasing and letting go, and knowing that everything we do release and let go will be transmuted back to beneficial energy with the power of our intention. Breathe in again through our nose, softly and slowly, filling our lungs and belly with pure revitalized energy from the earth, from the healing energy from the earth. And breathe out so softly and gently, allowing our lungs and belly to release as much air as possible. Breathing in and out, softly and slowly and deeply, helps our lungs to use oxygen at its maximal potential, oxygenating our body, our minds, helping release and let go of any heavy emotions. And so, by bringing our attention back to our breath throughout this audio and throughout your day, can really help manage our nervous system and energy levels. Imagine a small emerald golden light in the center of our chest. This warm golden emerald light is small and spins softly. Feel it spinning so softly and slowly and warmly. This emerald light is filled with love and golden warmth. And as you breathe in the healing energy from the earth, you feel this golden emerald sphere of light starting to expand with every breath. It expands more and more, wider and wider, along with our deep and slow breaths. Feel how warm and golden and emerald this sphere of pure love feels in your chest as it grows with your breath. It starts to encapsulate your whole body, expanding and expanding with our breath. The deeper we breathe, the wider this emerald sphere of pure golden love expands, all the way out until it reaches arm's length in our energy field. This big energetic healing sphere of love, protection, and golden emerald light is our vital energy source, created by us with the assistance of Mother Earth. We feel so safe here in our protected sphere. As we breathe in and out so softly and slowly, feeling so relaxed as we lay in our favorite place in nature. We bring our attention to our body and notice any sensations at all from the bottom of our feet to the top of our head. Doing a light body scan, feeling our feet, our legs, our knees and hips, noticing any pain or discomfort. Moving up to the bottom of our stomach, our back, our chest and throat and higher back, feeling our neck and mouth and nose, eyes and head. Taking in a soft and slow deep breath all the way in, while noticing any pain or discomfort anywhere in our body. Breathing out with the intention of releasing any pain, any anxiety, or any heavy emotions that we'd like to release. And knowing that when we do release it, it will be transmuted by the golden light in our sphere. Breathing in again, focusing on the area of discomfort in our body, using the power of our breath to transmute that energy, releasing and letting go of any heavy emotions, pain, discomfort that doesn't belong in our body, and knowing that it's completely transmuted back to golden light as it leaves our body. Breathe in again into the area of discomfort, completely harmonizing any discomfort, any pain, any heavy emotion, sending so much love to those areas that might just need to be acknowledged in order for them to release, balance, and let go. Breathe out and in, slowly and softly, using the power of our breath to acknowledge, accept, and release. Our body always has the answers, along with the assistance of our breath. We have the power to transmute, dilute, harmonize, stabilize, and protect our energy, our emotions, and our nervous system. Managing burnout, overwhelm, stress and anxiety every single day. Our breath is our power, our intention is the most powerful tool we can have, and knowing how to work with our energy can ultimately keep us balanced, harmonized, stabilized, and in our optimal state of being. Thank you so much for taking the time to take care of yourself. restore your energy, and prepare yourself for anything ahead. Thank you for listening and being here. Sending so much love. Take care.